Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll down in order to find the section with the accounts. As you can see right here, we've got the accounts and sync, and I personally prefer to do it using this section. But as you can see, of course, above it, we've got a whole Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it. But let me do it by using this one. And after entering, we have to tap on Add Account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for the separation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, and then tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so I highly recommend to read them. Just tap on it and you will have all the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And then we can go back. And as you can see, our Google account has been immediately added to this device. Of course, you can remove it also whenever you want to. You have to simply tap on it, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Confirm it, and it should disappear immediately. As you can see, it is not visible. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock reset, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.